Hello there, welcome to your Scottish forecast from the Met Office. More rain on its way over the next few days. Rain warnings from Friday and into Saturday across the western side of Scotland. All courtesy of a succession of weather fronts which will continue to blast Scotland with some wet weather and also strong winds from time to time as well. The air becomes much warmer from the south, trapped behind this weather front here, but look at this rain warning extending into the weekend. But then things do dry up and also warm up into Sunday as the rain becomes confined to the far north of Scotland. So some dry weather on its way. Hang on to your hat, it will happen. But for the time being, yes, we are under the influence of that wet weather, particularly across more southern areas through Wednesday evening. Showers elsewhere, some clearer skies, more persistent showery rain for Orkney as well as Shetland. A bit of a breeze here, but the winds ease across mainland Scotland, although it does remain rather cloudy with some drizzly bits and pieces into the early hours of the morning as that cloud gradually pivots and moves towards western Scotland again, loaded with moisture, so some patchy rain and drizzle to end the night. And into Thursday morning, temperatures will hold around 6 or 7, where you see some clearer skies first thing, particularly across the Cairngorms up towards Aberdeenshire, as well as Caithness and Sutherland. Cloudy skies elsewhere. It will be a bit damp in places, but notice this, more wet weather on its way, coming in across the central belt of Scotland, Ayrshire, and then just pushing up the western side. Some heavy pulses to come through the afternoon. And then further northeast, you hang on to some dry weather through the morning, but even here, you'll see some wet weather through the afternoon as the winds pick up, particularly across the North Channel. Now for Shetland, you'll see some cloudy skies through the afternoon, temperatures around 12 degrees Celsius, 15 or 16 further south, but wherever you are, it's feeling cool under the cloud, the rain, as well as those stronger winds. Now the winds will pick up across the Northern Isles through Thursday evening as that rain band continues its passage northeastwards. It remains rather drizzly, particularly across the Western Highlands into a Thursday evening. So low cloud here, poor visibility, a bit of a driving wind, some dry skies for border regions, Aberdeenshire through the night into the early hours of Friday morning, where again we could see some hazy sunshine to start the day. Across the far northeast, rain for Shetland, and then more rain arrives, and this is when the rain warning kicks in through lunchtime on Friday. You can see some really bright echoes representing some heavy pulses of rain across the West Highlands. We could see up to over 2 days 150 millimetres. Across low-lying areas up to around 50 millimetres. So yes, more wet weather on its way, and it will cause problems with rivers just really peaking at very high flows, and also perhaps even some localised flooding. It does dry up from the south through the weekend. The rain band moves northwards and it turns warmer on Sunday with some dry weather away from Shetland and Orkney. Bye-bye.